Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the hardware and account. This saves time later. Plug the streaming stick or Fire TV into an HDMI port and power it. Make sure the TV input matches the HDMI number. Once done, connect that device and your phone to the same Wi-Fi network. Strong signal prevents buffering. Sign into Amazon Prime on a browser so credentials are ready. This first setup ensures authorization and network access before you move to app and device pairing. Now open the Prime Video app on your TV or streaming device and follow prompts. If the app shows a 6-8-character activation code, go to Amazon. com/code on your phone or computer and type it in. This links your account immediately. Alternatively, if your TV supports casting, open Prime Video on your phone, tap the cast icon, and select the TV name. Casting uses the local network and streams from your device. Make sure you accept any pairing requests shown on the TV screen before proceeding. Finally, choose a movie or show and press play. Adjust audio and subtitles from the player if required. If playback fails, sign out and sign back into the Prime app or restart the streaming device and TV. This often clears temporary glitches. Once done, check your Wi-Fi band. Some devices prefer 4 GHz over 5 GHz for stability, so switch bands if necessary. As a troubleshooting tip, if you still see errors, swap the HDMI cable or reboot the router to restore proper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.